Tom Hoverson, and I'm with Comarco Products. We are a vendor and supplier to the Bellissimo Group of quality eggplant products and jalapeno peppers. The purpose of this virtual presentation is to show you how the product is processed. Most of you are using the product already, and we really appreciate your business. And we thought it'd be a good idea that we walk you through our new, up-to-date SQF Level 3 facility located in Pallet, Florida, which is about 65 miles southwest of Jacksonville. So, let's begin the tour. This is how we receive our product, either in boxes, a bushel and a ninth box, or in tote bins, depending on the shipper. Eggplant comes into us fresh, and we take the top off and we peel it in most cases. We'll be going through that process once we visit our processing line. The second part of our operation is our different batter and breadings. We have many recipes. We use about a little over a truck a week of batter and breading. We use a tanker load of 8,000 gallons of soybean oil about every 6 or 7 days, and we'll show you that part of the operation as we progress. This part of the operation is the critical one, obviously. It is our shipping and receiving dock, along with our dry storage, corrugated film for our packaging machine, etc. So this is a critical part of our operation as well. Operation is the peeling of the eggplant, the topping and the peeling. As you can see, it's very labor intensive, and that's the difference between what we do and what's being done at the operator level. We take care of the peeling for you. From there, we move down now. I should have mentioned that we're doing eggplant sticks today. Here the product is coming off the slicer. These ladies are spreading it out so we get a nice even flow and that the product is covered totally. They also pick out small pieces that are not suitable and do not meet spec. The next step in the process is a wet batter. What happens is we mix the batter, and it's a very weak pancake batter-like substance. The product goes from the conveyor underneath into a batter bath. The next step in the process is, as you can see, a pre-dust or flour, very fine flour, is then applied to the product. The product is gone through a wet process, the flour is added. Now we have to go through another wet process, otherwise the breading will not stick to the product. After the second wet batter is applied, and because this product is a battered stick, no breading is applied. The breading, if we were doing a regular eggplant, would be applied on this particular machine. But because this is a battered product, the processing is now complete. From here, you go into the frying of the product. This is our industrial fryer. We do about 2,500 to 3,000 pounds an hour. It's all automated. After the frying process, it comes out for one final QA test. At this point, this is a finished product that is getting ready to go into the IQF freezer. As you look into the fryer itself, there's a pull-down valve that pushes the product deep into the oil bag. We use soybean oil. We use a lot of it. This particular machine is our spiral freezer. After cooking our freezer at 40 below zero for 30 minutes. We'll open this very quickly. Goes on this shelf and goes around and comes out frozen. Product exits the spiral freezer up on top. It goes on through a conveyor that feeds an automatic scaling machine. So each one of those stainless steel boxes up on top is a computer. It weighs the product. Right now we're running 5-pound bags of eggplant fries, and we really appreciate your visits on this product. On the bottom, puts it in the bag, seals it, and then it goes into our packaging department. The product is exited the spiral freezer. This conveyor splits it out over our bagging machine. Each one of these metal boxes here is a computer, and there's 14 of them, and this weighs out the product. Each one of them goes along until a 5-pound bag is processed. The bagger then seals the bag, and it goes to packaging. This is the final product, 5-pound bag of eggplant fries. This product is gaining more and more popularity as a bar food. It's about the size of a French fried potato, and it's a very good product, and we see our sales increasing all the time. We appreciate the support from our municipal customers. After the product is bagged, this process here is put into boxes, goes through a tape machine, goes through a metal detector. That is one of our critical control points, metal detection. At that point, it's loaded on the pallet. It goes into our freezer, and then we ship the product to our customers. Once the bagging is done and it goes into our packaging department where the product is put in a box and is run through a metal detector stacked on a pallet, the product then goes into our 1,200 pallet storage freezer. And we'll show you that in a moment.